welcome to my channel. So today I'll be sharing my top 10 nude lipsticks. So my top 10 nude lipsticks are very affordable. I generally don't buy the lipsticks which are very high end, because lipsticks are something that you keep on changing each and every day, and you get all the shades in affordable range. So why to go for a higher price range? So sharing with you my top 10 favorite nude lipsticks. So to know about my favorite top 10 lipsticks, please keep on watching. First nude lipstick is this Wrapped Up from Faces. I am currently wearing this lipstick. This is a very nice peachy kind of a shade. This has orange undertones to it. This is really comfortable to wear, does not dry out your lips. It's really matte, and it gives a nice glow to your face. So I really love this lipstick. Second favorite is this Tea Break, which I'm wearing right now. It's amazing lipstick. It's really good for this smoky eye look. It is a perfect dupe for Velvet Teddy, and it's so good to wear with any kind of dark eyes. This is perfect Kylie Jenner kind of a lipstick, and plus this is affordable. This is from the 9 to 5 range. It's the Tea Break, and it is a perfect lipstick if you have really bold eyes. This lipstick is going to go great if you carry on in a party with heavy makeup and heavy eye makeup. So this is going to sort you out. Plus this lipstick has a really great formulation. It's going to stay for long. It is so comfortable to wear, does not dry out your lips. So this is a perfect nude lipstick. The third lipstick is from Sugar Cosmetics. It may look a little red on the camera, but trust you me, this is not red. This is a perfect nude kind of a lipstick. This is amazing lipstick. See, this is so comfortable to wear, does not dry out your lips. This is my new discovery. It is their Pouch Time Vivid lipstick. This is so nice. Actually, I like all the colors in this. I have the Coraline, but that is more orangey. But we are talking here about the nude lipsticks, and the Breaking Bear is actually a path breaking lipstick for me, because this lipstick, look at the color of this lipstick. It is so pretty, and even if you wear it to your office or to your college, any compliments, trust you me, please give this lipstick a shot. I really like the packaging of this lipstick. Look how chic this is, how elegant and how upmarket this is. So I really like this lipstick. So the next one is again from the 9 to 5 family. Actually 9 to 5 lipsticks are so creamy, so buttery. They just glides on your lips. They stay matte, they stay for long. As the name suggests, 9 to 5, they actually stay 9 to 5. This is an amazing lipstick. I just love the formulation. I just love the color. You can see my love through this. I have almost finished this lipstick. It is so creamy, so buttery, and you can wear it every day. You can wear it to your college, to your office, to if you are going to a day function, or if you are just roaming around in a market. This is going to look great. Look at the formulation, guys. It just glided on my hands. So pretty. And I'm definitely going to buy a second one once I finish this teeny tiny bit which is left in this. Next one is also from an affordable line. This is the lipstick with which I get so many compliments. Whenever I wear this lipstick, wherever I wear this lipstick, everybody just asks, which shade is this? Which lipstick is this? And I just say that this is the Revlon Super Lustrous Lipstick in the shade Rosy Nude. This is so creamy. It hydrates your lips. It is so pretty. It is so amazing lipstick. Just see the formulation, see the swatch of it. It has a nice sheen. It gives a healthy glow to your lips. You feel like your lips are not dehydrated, they are actually really hydrated. This is so pretty and so comfortable to wear. So I'm sure if you're going to wear this lipstick to your party or your office or your college, is going to ask, which lipstick are you wearing? Then you can say, yep, I'm wearing this Revlon Colorburst lipstick in the shade Rosy Nude. Pretty and so amazing. I don't think so. You can find a better match than the Rosy Nude lipstick. I just love the packaging. I just love everything about this lipstick. Lipstick which is drying out. This is completely matte. This is so pretty shade. I just love this shade. I really love this shade. This is currently out of stock at Nykaa and I wanted to purchase this lipstick. So this is a really nice peachy kind of a shade. I really love this lipstick. This does not dry out your lips. Plus this is matte. This is from Sugar Cosmetics Holy Go Lightly shade. I really love this lipstick. I can't emphasize on how much I love this lipstick. I actually wear this lipstick a lot many times. I don't wear all these lipsticks a lot, but I wear this lipstick so much. I love this lipstick. I love the formulation. I love the color, and I love the glow it gives on my face. I just love everything about this lipstick. This is I have a big kiss for this lipstick. Mwah. Let's talk a little bit about L'Oreal. L'Oreal makes amazing lipsticks. This is their extraordinary range, and the number which I'm wearing is 102. This is so pretty, right? I I just love this lipstick. This is so buttery and creamy. This gives a really nice satin finish to your lips. This is so kind of everyday kind of wear lipstick. This looks really nice and it does not dry your lips. That is a great thing, and it is so lightweight on your lips that you will hardly feel something on your lips. This beauty, which is in my hand, is from Faces Ultime Matte Lip Crayon. This looks really nice if and fresh during summers. If you wear it to your office on a daily basis or your college, this lipstick is going to be a ice breaking lipstick, as this looks really nice in summers, give you a nice glow and makes you look fresh and awake. So this lipstick has a great formulation. This is really pretty lipstick, and I'll just swatch it for you. So this is the color. As you can see the color on my lips, this is great lipstick. This is so pretty. Actually, I have to find another word other than pretty, but all these lipsticks are so pretty. That's why they made to my top 10 nude lipsticks, everyday kind of lipsticks. So I really love this lipstick. This precious lipstick, yeah, it is precious for me because I cannot find this shade anywhere now. This is the Lust On shade from the Ultime Pro Longwear Matte Lipstick. I'm like almost finished with this lipstick. Nothing is left now. I really like this lipstick. I cannot find this shade anywhere. Guys, if you find this shade somewhere, there's a Lust On shade. If you find this shade somewhere, please do comment and let me know where I can find this lipstick. This is so creamy, so buttery. It just glides on your lips, and look at the color it gives you. Look at the color. It just glides on your lips like It has some oil or something, and it keeps your lips hydrated. Plus it is matte and it is long wearing, which is a thumbs up. Last but not the least, the Maybelline Color Sensational Lipstick in the shade Crazy for Coffee is a perfect everyday wear kind of a lipstick. This comes in this kind of packaging, and once you open, you get the bullet. So this is a really pretty everyday kind of shade. This is so pretty, so creamy, and it gives a satin finish. The only thing that bothers me is it does not survive even one meal or one even I drink coffee, just transfers like crazy on the cup. So only that thing puts me off. Otherwise, the color which it gives is really pretty. I really like the color of it. So, yeah, with that, I finish my top 10 nude lipsticks. If you guys want to see top 10 pink lipsticks or top 10 orange lipsticks or top 10 red lipsticks, please do let me know in the comment section. And as you guys know, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And I'm gonna see you in my next one. Till then, bye.